Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. In this video, I want to talk about Myriad markets. It's an airdrop you can participate in even for free, even though it's a prediction market. I don't think many people know about that, so I want to cover that in the course of this video. You want to get started as soon as possible. This project is on Abstract Chain and could have an airdrop soon, so you want to acquire as many points as possible and you can. I'll be showing you all you need to do to get started. But before we tackle Myriad Markets itself, we'll quickly talk of XIT. So, by the way, Myriad Markets has a mindshare leaderboard on XIT, and they are going to share as many as 10 billion points to participants. 500 participants will be rewarded. There are currently 1,661 participants, so you can easily be dominant here. 1 billion MYR points will be shared. This is tangible, okay? So what you want to do is, by the way, XIT itself is likely to have an airdrop, so you definitely want to be on XIT. It's a very strong, it just started, by the way, InfoFi platform on Abstract Chain. So you definitely want to be here. Your interactions with your coverage of Myriad markets on X will enable you rank on the leaderboard here. So that said, all you need to do on Xit is onboard with your X account. Then you can start talking about Myriad markets as you use it on X. That will be tracked, and then you will start to have a position on the leaderboard. But speaking of this, a good place to start is on the sidebar here. So simply complete all the tasks on the sidebar here. That will already begin to rank you highly on the mindshare leaderboard for Myriad Market on Xit. So complete all the quests here. I'll be doing that later on. Now, that said, going back to Myriad Markets, remember we said that Myriad Market is one of the major applications on Abstract Chain. Abstract Chain as well could have an airdrop. Your interaction with Myriad Markets will earn you Abstract Chain XP. So you definitely want to use the same wallet that you use on Abstract Chain to connect to Myriad Market. Uh, when you sign up on Abstract Chain, you can sign up with your email. A wallet is generated for you. Same wallet is what you use to connect to Myriad Market so that your activity on Myriad Market is, has impact on your Abstract Chain XP. So take note of that. So assuming I want to sign in here, I don't choose MetaMask. I choose Abstract Chain so that I can use the same wallet that I use to sign up on Abstract Chain. So that's the first out. Your first outing is to sign up on Abstract Chain. You can use your email. Then a wallet is generated for you. That wallet can enable you connect to any abstract related application. So speaking of abstract related applications, there are many, including Myriad Markets. There are many of them. Okay, so any of these applications here, you will be able to connect with your abstract chain wallet. So when you go to Myriad, you connect, you see this pop up here, you connect. So the exact state of your abstract chain wallet will now reflect on Myriad, including your funds and all that. Now, typically, this is a prediction market. To be able to earn points, traditionally you would want to participate in prediction. This, for example, prediction is running. People are participating in predicting whether the price of USDC will go up or down. There's usually a time frame per prediction, but I will not dwell too much on this. You can expand this to, understand the details. I will not dwell too much about this in the course of this video, but if you have experience, you can get started participating in this. I want to dwell on the free things you can do here towards points. Now, on the leaderboard, I just started, you see, and I'm ranked 29,000. I need to upgrade this. Okay, so to upgrade this, you can first off complete the quests on the sidebar here that says complete profile. So complete all these quests. Connect Telegram, join the Telegram account, join the Discord, get the browser extension, 50,000 points. It's basically a browser extension or an annex to Myriad. Then next, after you have completed all this, you can go to earn. Now, these are social quests. So this one is engaged to earn for 10,000 points. You click on that. So this one involves liking and reposting a particular post. So this is going to lead to X. Of course, this will apply on the assumption that you have connected your X account on Myriad Market, which you would likely have done, when you complete the quest shown here, this complete profile. So I've earned 10,000 points. If we go back to earn, then you can do the same for all this. You know, complete everything here. It will earn you a lot of points already. Now, traditionally, like I said, assuming I have some funds. Now, how do I fund my wallet? I simply need to fund my abstract chain wallet. So if I come to wallet, okay, then I click on fund, then I can, let's say I deposit funds manually or a bridge. You can use a bridge like relay or jumper. Destination chain is abstract, or yes, or there is no need, you can use this bridge. So a widget is pulled up, powered by Jumper, I believe. Then you can use this to bridge funds from some other chain to abstract chain. So you can also use an exchange. If you're coming from a centralized exchange, you need to deposit the funds through the ZK Sync Era network. So when you are withdrawing from a centralized exchange from Binance, your chain selected has to be ZK Sync Era, then you withdraw to this address, after which your funds will show up here. Then if you want to swap, you can swap directly here. Let's say we deposited ETH and you want to swap it for USDC so that you can participate in predictions on Myriad, then you can swap there. When you have balance, then your balance will show up here automatically. So you see I have two open predictions that I've participated in. I can even sell my position, before the window ends. So this is going to end January 30. So I think it's only when the transaction settles, I would assume so, that you'll earn the associated points. I'm not sure. I'm still going to experiment with it. But basically, I bought yes position. Basically, I'm following the crowd. But of course, you can apply your own insight if you desire to. When you are going against the crowd, your profit margin is huger. Okay, there are different categories, not only crypto, there's also sports for those interested in sports and all that. I would leave it at that. Let's come to the end of this video. To conclude with this video, check the description for a start. There are a bunch of airdrop opportunities there. Then go ahead to airdropc.com. Quickly scroll down and submit your email here. To subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 200 airdrops in the near term. Populated here. I'm going to clean up this site, remove all these buttons. We are going to focus here now. Airdrops categorized by niches, and then you can also search. So you can start sharing this as a resource for anyone interested in airdrops. Okay, so I'm working on Xit airdrops as we speak. I'll fill this place up. Once you expand this, you will find the information, tutorial, all that. So that's that. Also contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.